Hello friends, this is Kuldeep from QA Cubicle. Today we are going to learn how to install the APM server in our system. So as we know, like APM server is required for the mobile automation. Okay, and to install the APM server, we need to have the Node.js installed in our system because Node.js provides the capabilities to install the APM. Okay, so the Node.js basically a software that has the npm command line installer. So with that, we can install the various node modules like the protector, Angular, and APM. Okay, so first we will install the Node.js in our system. We will set up the environment variable for the same. Then we will install the APM. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you need to simply go to the google.com and you need to search for the Node.js download. Okay, and here we can see like the depending on the kind of operating system, it provides the different installer. Okay, so as I am using the Windows and my operating system is 64-bit, so I have downloaded this MSI on my system. Okay, and the same I have kept at my desktop. What I need to do, I need to just simply click on the install button. Okay, and read the instructions. Otherwise it is very simple installer, so you just simply click on the next button. Okay, next button, and so once the Node.js is installed on system, then you need to configure the environment variable. So this is the kind of similar kind of setup which we provide for the Java and Maven. So we need to set the environment variable. Okay, so if we will not able to set the environment variable, then we cannot install the Node.js module. So it is mandatory to set the environment variable. Okay, so it we can see like it has completed successfully. So I will just click on the finish button. Okay, now I will go to the environment variable. Okay, so I will create new home. So I will give the name at like node.js underscore home. Okay, and I will provide the path where node.js is installed in my system. Okay, so I will go to the program files and here the node.js installed. So I will give the path of this location. Okay, simply paste it here. Okay, and after that you need to go to the path, edit, and here we need to provide the path till bin. So we need to go to the node modules, npm and bin. Okay, so you need to copy this and new and paste. Simply click on the OK. Okay, now go to the command line and now we need to install the APM server with the help of the npm command line installer. So what we need to write here, we need to write the npm install -g. -g is basically used to install the APM server on your system globally, and after that we need to give the APM. Okay, so basically with the help of this command we will able to download the APM server in our system, and you can see like it is downloading different kind of files, packages. Okay, so once it is gets completed, then we need to run the command APM again, and it will give us the version of the APM which has been installed in our system. Okay, so as you can see like it has been installed successfully here. So after that, what I need to do to check the version of the APM, we just simply need to give the APM, and we can come to know like what is the version which has been installed in my system. So like you can see like welcome to the APM version v1.2.0.2. Okay, so guys, this was it for the today's video, and thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.